Now, all eyes were on the big Modi-Biden meet at the White House. The two leaders met for the first time since President Biden took over, and the two shared a visibly friendly and warm bonhomie. They spoke about peace and climate change, among other issues, and indeed shared a few lighter moments as well. Prime Minister Modi also extended an invitation to the US President to visit India.
A handshake and a warm embrace. It took Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Joe Biden a little time to warm up to each other. But soon, jokes and laughs followed.
So the whole purpose of this meeting is for him to help me figure out.
And after the pleasantries, the two leaders, who were meeting for the first time since Biden took office, got down to business. Speaking first, President Biden invoked the Mahatma and his message of peace.
As the world celebrates Mahatma Gandhi's birthday next week, we're all reminded that his message of nonviolence, respect, tolerance matters today maybe more than it ever has.
The US president spoke at length on strengthening the Indo-US relationship further and recounted how he had predicted the friendship way back in 2006.
I think that the relationship between India and the United States, the largest democracies in the world, is destined to be stronger, closer, and tighter, and I think it can benefit the whole world. In fact, back in 2006, I set that hope out, where I said that by 2020, when I was vice president, 2020, India and the United States would be among the closest nations in the world.
The US president emphasized on climate change and the effects of the pandemic. Indo-Pacific was a big focal point.
Prime Minister and I were going to be talking today about what more we can do to fight COVID-19, take on the climate challenges that the world face, and ensure stability in Indo-Pacific, including with our own Quad partners.
Prime Minister Modi too cited Mahatma's teachings while touching upon climate change, the biggest challenge in the years to come.
ये दशक उस ट्रस्टीशिप के लिए भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। महात्मा गांधी हमेशा इस बात की वकालत करते थे कि प्लेनेट के हम ट्रस्टी हैं और हमने हमारी आने वाली पीढ़ियों को एक ट्रस्टी के रूप में ये प्लेनेट को हमने सुपुर्द करना होगा और ये ट्रस्टीशिप की भावना भी भारत और अमेरिका के बीच के संबंधों में एक बहुत अहमियत रखेगा।
The Prime Minister remarked that under Biden, seeds for a stronger relationship have been sown.
जब भारत और अमेरिका के संबंधों में मैं ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव देख रहा हूं, तब मैं देख रहा हूं कि ट्रेडिशन, लोकतांत्रिक परंपराओं और मूल्यों को लेकर के जो हम जी रहे हैं और जिसके प्रति हम समर्पित हैं, हम कमिटेड हैं, वो ट्रेडिशन का अपना एक महात्मा और अधिक बढ़े।
The meet had several lighter moments as the leaders walked down the memory lane a bit.
When I was elected as a 29-year-old kid in 1972, before I was sworn in, I got a letter from a person named Biden, last name, in Mumbai, from Mumbai. The next morning I had a press conference going away, and the Indian press said, someone spoke up, you have 5 Bidens in India.
To that, Prime Minister Modi had a repartee ready.
आपने भारत में बाइडेन सरनेम के लोगों के सामने बड़ा डिटेल में जिक्र किया। आपने मेरे साथ भी इस बात का उल्लेख किया था। तो बाद में मैंने काफ़ी कुछ कागजात खोजने की कोशिश की है। कागजात में लेकर के भी आया हूँ। हो सकता है शायद उसमें से कुछ आगे का निकल आए, शायद आपको कुछ काम आए।
And today I have brought along some documents. Maybe we'll be able to take this matter forward, and maybe those documents could be of use to you.
Are we related?
Yes.
The first meeting between Prime Minister Modi and President Biden has set the foundation for even more closer strategic ties. Faced with an expansionist China, the two countries, the world's largest democracies, will be engaging at various levels from trade to defense to protect their interests. With Geeta Mohan in Washington, D.C., Bureau Report, India Today.